Hello and welcome. You're watching HCN News Bulletin. I'm Kendra Susan. Let's take a look at the top stories. Customs and Central Excise Department arrested 6 Indians at Goa airport for attempting to smuggle gold into Goa worth rupees 1.40 crores. All Goa Bus Owners Association demanded a high-level inquiry into the loss-making Kadamba Transport Corporation. Foundation stone laid for Krishi Vigyan Kendra at the Agricultural Department Complex, Margao. Now the news in detail. At a press conference held at the Customs and Central Excise, the Commissioner of Customs, Mr. VPC Rao, stated that the Customs and Central Excise Department had arrested 6 Indians at the Goa airport for attempting to smuggle gold into Goa worth approximately rupees 1.40 crores.
In spite of strict security, smugglers still dare to smuggle gold through the Goa airport. This year, a total of 5 cases were registered and 5.5 kg of gold worth rupees 1.40 crore in the international market was seized in Dabolim airport. The carriers used various methods to sneak in the yellow metal, including hiding gold in mobile phones and shoes.
The last one and a half month, as many as 7 attempts were made by the smugglers to push the gold into the country through the passengers. And in all these 7 attempts, we have seized about 5.5 kgs of gold, and its value is in interest market 1.40 crores. We have seized the entire gold and we have arrested 6 persons. In all the 7 attempts that we have noticed, each attempt is quite novel than the other. In the sense, the modus operandi that they have adopted is quite different. In some cases, we have seen the people concealing the gold in the form of battery of a cell phone, or in the form of a refill of a pen, or in the sole of a shoe, or in the wrapper, the cardboard box kind. Under they have wrapped the gold files and in 2-3 cases we have seen rectum concealments and.
Commissioner of Customs VPC Rao also mentioned that smuggling of gold is carried out at almost all international airports in India.
All over it is happening. Gold smuggling is happening in all the international airports. Bombay, you have Kerala airports, Chennai. Unfortunately, most of the cases are not reported in local press. I think sometimes I get Delhi news in Herald. They report it.
Alfred Fernandez for HCN.
The All Goa Bus Owners Association has demanded a high-level inquiry into the loss-making Kadamba Transport Corporation. The association have also demanded construction of a modern bus stand at Margao.
Addressing the media, Association President Shailendra Faldesai said the KTC has been making losses over the years despite grants and loans provided by the government. He demanded the government immediately constitute a committee to probe into the finances of the corporation.
आम्ही सरकाराकडेन मागताय आयज जर कदंबा महामंडळ 1980 सावन जर आयज म्हळ्यार जर लॉसान चलता जाल्यार गव्हर्नमेंटान एक कमिटी काडची जशी बारीक बारीक खंय तरी इश्यू जाताय तेन्ना गव्हर्नमेंट असेंब्ली भितर एक कमिटी काडटा आनी ते कमिटी मार्फत इन्क्वायरी करता म्हणटा तशी गव्हर्नमेंटान एक कमिटी काडची आनी कमिटी मार्फत इन्क्वायरी करची कदंबा महामंडळ लॉसान कितें चलता हो आमचो मेन डिमांड आहा. दुसरो आमचो डिमांड आहा सावथ गोंयांत जे मडगांव बस स्टँड आहा जेन्ना दिगंबर कामत मुख्यमंत्री आसलो त्या टायमाचेर तेज्या हातींतल्यान ते फावंडेशन स्टोन घायल्लो. आयज म्हळ्यार ते फावंडेशन स्टोनान ना म्हणल्यार एक खांबोय घायलो ना नाल्यार कांय केले कडेन ना. तिसरो आमचो डिमांड आहा जो आमचो पॅसेंजर टॅक्स 1 म्हयने एडवान्स घेताय तो म्हयन्याच म्हयन्याक घेवचो.
With Santosh Mirajkar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
A foundation stone was laid for the Krishi Vigyan Kendra for South Goa at the Agricultural Department Complex, Margao. The project will cost rupees 1.55 crore and is jointly funded by the centre and state government.
At the foundation stone laying ceremony, Fisheries Minister Avertano Furtado said that the construction of the administrative building cum trainees hostel will give a boost to agricultural activities.
To lay the foundation stone of this hostel. In fact, the Honorable CM was supposed to come, but he's out of station, so I had the pleasure of doing it. And Honorable CM is very much interested in his agriculture sector. And with this hostel coming up, I think it will encourage a lot of people to take up to agriculture. So nearly 1.5 crore project it is, which is been funded by the central as well as the state government. So I hope these things come up very fast and we can make the best use of this.
Krishi Vigyan Kendra's district program coordinator Ullas Pai Kakode said the new building will help in conducting training camps for the farmers of the district.
Administrative building come trainees hostel. This hostel because for Krishi Vigyan Kendra, South Goa, which is actually catering to the needs of the South Goa farmers for this one discharging a lot of training to the farmers. So we did not have our own building. So the state government had decided to go for a new building, and the laying of foundation stone is being done on 15th of February at the hands of Honorable Minister for Fisheries, Avertano Furtado.
What is the cost?
The cost of the building is 155 lakhs, and it is partly sponsored by Government of India, ICR, who are going about 89 lakhs, and the balance amount will be borne by the state government.
With Santosh Mirajkar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
At a function held at the Fatima Convent High School, 333 students received tablets which were handed over by the Fisheries and Labour Minister Mr. Avertano Furtado. These tablets were given to the students under the government scheme.
The Fisheries Minister later told media that he has advised the students to make good use of the tablets to enrich their knowledge.
I have distributed nearly 333 tablets in Fatima Convent, and I have told the students to make the best use of these tablets, because the Honorable CM has kept up to the promise which he had said he would do. And I have told the students to give their best so that we get some result out of it. And the students are really happy after getting these tablets. And as they have said, they will do the best and make the best use of these tablets without downloading any other thing, and mainly using it for a good purpose. So I wish them all the best in the future.
With Santosh Mirajkar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
Now let's take a short break. We'll be back soon. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Signal Raising Day was observed at the 3 Military Training Regiment at Margao on Saturday. Flag Officer, Navy Goa Area Balwinder S. Parmar, who was the chief guest, inspected the passing out parade on the occasion.
आज की आपकी ड्रिल इस बात का प्रतीक है कि 3 MTR के स्टाफ और अफसरों ने आपकी ट्रेनिंग की तरफ बहुत ही गंभीरता से ध्यान दिया है। मुझे इस बेहतरीन परेड पर आमंत्रित करने के लिए मैं कमांडेंट 2 SPC और 3 MTR के CO को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा। रिक्रूट्स की ट्रेनिंग और बर्ताव की तरफ ट्रेनिंग स्टाफ का योगदान बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण होता है। मुझे बताया गया है कि 3 MTR के ट्रेनिंग स्टाफ डिसिप्लिन और प्रोफेशनल रिक्वायरमेंट्स के लिए बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट है, जो कि किसी भी ट्रेनिंग स्टाफ के लिए एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रिक्वायरमेंट होती है।
Holy Cross High School, Bastora felicitated traditional artists and businessmen at hands of Deputy Director of Education, Mr. G.P. Bhatt.
Holy Cross High School Bastora held an art and craft exhibition called Prerna to inspire students in the field of art and craft. The exhibition had showcased beautiful artwork prepared by the students. Prakash Gadekar for HCN.
The Kshatriya Maratha Sangathan will hold its third rally on February 19 to mark Shiv Jayanti.
Pankaj Naik Gaon said the rally will pass through various villages from Kurchorem and Kepem before culminating at Fatorpa.
हो शिवजयंती मनोवपाचो उत्सवाच्या फाटल्यान कारण आमचें अशें आसा की महाराजांचे विचार, त्यांची शैली, त्यांचे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ह्या युवा पिढी मेरेन व्हरपाक आनी सगळ्या समाजाक दाखोवन दिवपाक कितें त्यांचे जी वागणूक आसली, त्यांचे जे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आसलें त्या भशेन आमी सगळ्यांनी वागपाक जाय म्हणून आमी फाटले 2 वर्सां शिवजयंती साजरी केल्ली. आमच्या रॅलीक जो उत्कृश्ट प्रतिसाद जो आमकां लोकां मेरेन मेळ्ळा, सगळ्या समाज बांधवा कडेन मेळ्ळा, तेच आमी दोळे मुखार दवरून ह्या फावटी आमी हो उत्सव आनी चड मोठ्या नेटान साजरे करपाचें थारायलें. म्हणून आमी ह्या फावटी हो उत्सव साजरा करतना समस्त आमचे गोंयकार भावाक सगळ्या समाजाच्या सगळ्याक आमी एक बरोबर घेवन वचपाक सोदता.
Sangam MLA Subhash Valdesai said the objective behind the rally is to make the younger generation aware of the contributions made by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj on various fronts including administration and justice.
क्षत्रिय मराठा युवा संघटनेन आयोजित केल्ल्या 19 फेब्रुवारी दिसाच्या शिवजयंती निमित्त कार्यक्रम तुम्ही ऐकल्लो. एक भव्य दिव्यशी मिरवणूक उद्देश इतकोच आसा की शिवाजी महाराजांचे जी राजनीती आशिल्ली किंवा एक निश्चयाचो महामेरू म्हणटात आणि तांचे ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, तांचे प्रशासन आणि तांच्या गोरगरिबांक दिवपाचो न्याय व्यवस्था आणि अत्यंत कठीण परिस्थितीपासून थोड्याशा मावळ्याक घेऊन तांणी स्वराज्याची स्थापना केली.
With Santosh Mirajkar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
Goa's emerging badminton star Anushka Kovelkar has been selected to represent India at the Under-19 Badminton Championship to be held in Denmark and Germany.
At a function held to felicitate Anushka by Margao Shuttlers Club at the SAG Indoor Stadium Fatoda, speakers wished the young badminton star all the success in her endeavour. Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai complimented Anushka for her selection and wished the very best.
She has been what she either because of the support of her parents, of fellow shuttlers like you, or fellow badminton fraternity like you, and by her own efforts. Neither the government nor an elected representative like me can claim credit for this. So I feel this is a really great occasion, a matter of pride for all Goans, self-respecting Goans. I'm sure that Anushka will keep the name of Goa high, will be an inspiration for younger players who have come here today. This can be an occasion for them to learn because they hope and pray to God that one day they will also be representing us because they are the pillars of the future.
Anushka attributed her success to her father, coach and all the senior players who had helped her to reach the level. She said she would play for India in the doubles and mixed doubles in the championship.
म्हजो पापा वेटरन प्लेयर आशिल्लो, तो आसा अजून. सो तो जेन्ना प्रॅक्टिसेक वतालो फोंड्या, सो हांव ताज्या बरोबर वचपाक ते लागिल्ले. तेन्नाच्यान म्हाका ती बॅडमिंटनाची आवड आहे. सो बेज अजून पर्यंत जो आसा तो म्हजो पापा. बेज म्हणजे बॅडमिंटन स्टार्ट करपाचें कारण अजून हांव आज हांगा आसा ते आज म्हज्या पापाच्या खातीर. 8 वर्साचें आसतना स्टार्ट केल्लें हांवें. सो तेन्नाच्यान नॅशनल्स खेळप ते वाडत गेले. सो आनी म्हजो कोच विनायक सर, सो तांणी म्हाका आतां मडगांव, हांव सद्दां फोंडेच्यान मडगांव ट्रॅवल करता आनी आतां तो म्हाका ट्रेन करता सांजचे सदांच. प्लस हांगा आमचे सगळे मेन्स प्लेयर्स जे आसात, कमलेश कांजी, कुणाल, तो तांच्या बरोबर प्रॅक्टीस करून एक एक्सपोजर मेळ्ळा, कित्याक ते सगळे सिनियर प्लेयर्स आनी हांव थंय खेळटा ते अंडर 19 कॅटेगरी. सो सगळे सिनियर प्लेयर्सा बरोबर हांगा खेळून म्हाका जो एक्सपोजर मेळ्ळा तो थंय खूब म्हाका फायदो जाला ताजो.
With Santosh Mirajkar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
And before we wind up, here's a look at the headlines once again. Customs and Central Excise Department arrested 6 Indians at Goa airport for attempting to smuggle gold into Goa worth rupees 1.40 crores. All Goa Bus Owners Association demanded a high-level inquiry into the loss-making Kadamba Transport Corporation. Foundation stone laid for Krishi Vigyan Kendra at the Agricultural Department Complex, Margaon. Our video of the day gives you the message to save water. Water is precious, save it. That's all from our side. Stay tuned to HCN. Take care and goodbye.
We never left the earth. We just...
देखो देखो